Welcome to the Koala Call Sheet video series. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to add notes, hospital, parking, atmosphere, and stand-ins to our call sheets. From the Shoot Day Details screen, select the Notes button. Here you can enter notes for this shoot day. The Copy to Another Shoot Day option allows you to copy the notes entered to another shoot day. Let's try this quickly. Select another shoot day from this pop-down list. Only shoot days that have been created on the main calendar will appear here. Now I'm going to close this window and go to the shoot day specified and select the Notes button. And here are the notes copied from the first shoot day. Notes will appear on the call sheet if the preference to print notes is checked. I'm going to select the Preferences button. Here in the Print Preferences section, to make sure notes print on a call sheet, this checkbox needs to be selected. A new feature in Koala Call Sheets allows you to enter a short note for each scene entry. To do this, go to the Scenes screen. There is a new button here called Notes, and if you click on it, you can enter a note for that scene. This note is not meant to be very long, and it only prints on the same line as the scene info. If you want to use this on your call sheet, it takes the place of the board IDs or cast IDs, or the location specified for the scene. If you want, you can print only 2 of them, or even all 3 of them, but there is limited space on the scene line. Let me show you what the call sheet looks like if you use any of these options. This one shows the board IDs, which are the cast member IDs needed for each scene. This one shows the location for each scene. And the last one shows the notes for each scene. Notice they all display on the same line for the scene. This is what the call sheet will look like if you select all 3 options. To enter hospital information for a shoot day, select the Hospital button. If hospitals have been entered, they will appear here in the existing hospitals list. Let's create a couple of hospitals. Click on the New Hospital button. Enter the name of the hospital, address and phone if desired. The name should be unique as this will be the value selected in the pop-down list. I'm going to create a second hospital and call it Hospital B. As you can see, there are 2 hospitals created. To select a hospital for this shoot day, select it, and it will appear here. Next, let's enter parking info for this shoot day. You can enter any of these 3 fields. Similar to notes, you can copy this info to another shoot day by selecting the shoot day here. Atmosphere, or sometimes referred to as extras, can be entered by selecting the Atmosphere button. To add atmosphere, select the New Atmosphere button. Enter the name and description if desired. Then you can enter a call time for this atmosphere. If you create a second atmosphere, you can then sort the order that it will appear on your call sheet. Stand-ins work similar to atmosphere. A stand-in is an actor or a person that literally stands in for an actor for lighting and blocking. Usually, they have a similar height and build, hair and skin color as the actor they are standing in for. Let's create a stand-in. In the For Note field, you can enter the actor that they are standing in for. After the stand-in is created, you can assign the stand-in a call time. Let's go to Preferences. You can specify whether or not to print atmosphere and stand-ins here in the block order. If you do not want atmosphere and stand-ins to print, select Skip. That wraps up this lesson. Have a great shoot.